Hi everyone, my name is Sean Lewis. I'm a motivational speaker, but on this particular channel, Great Expectations 82, I review books, movies, music, entertainment, and fun things I think people should check out, see, and do. And as well as videos of me out there just living my life. I hope this video blog not only inspires you, and entertains you, but encourage you to get out there and just enjoy and live your life the way you want to. Today's review is on The Wind Through the Keyhole, the last book in the Dark Tower series by Stephen King. It's a really good book. It tells what happened. It goes into more details of all their stories, and all the familiar characters are in the book. But it talks about what happened to Big Chaos, and in this book there is a man slash beast that has to be fought by the gunslingers. And if you know anything about the Dark Tower series, it takes place in a place called Midworld. And so it's based in a apocalyptic world that there's this gunslingers and there's different beasts, but it's basically anarchy, everybody for themselves. But it's a really good book with lots of detail, and if you know anything about Stephen King books, his books are very in-depth and very detailed. Now, I don't like horror films or horror writing, but not all of Stephen King's books are that way. I borrowed Wind Through the Keyhole from a friend, and I really enjoyed it because at its core, to me the book was about accepting who you were and forgiveness, and so I really enjoyed it. Now, there is some language and stuff like that in it, so if that offends you, you might not want to read it. But you can buy all the books on audio CD, which is how I read my books, or I have a Kindle that reads to me. Audible.com is a good service, by the way. You pay so much a month, like $15 a month, and all the books are half price, and you get one free credit a month. But all the books you buy after that are half price, so you might want to check it out. And books on the Kindle are usually no more than $9.99, and a lot of them are text-to-speech enabled, which that's up to the publisher. But like I said, I borrowed the audio book Wind Through the Keyhole from a friend. But if you know anything about these books, it's been a long time in between books. Stephen King said he was delighted to find out that his old friends had some more to say. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the book. I'll talk to you later. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.